So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, ilalabas po natin kabola ang ating pong prediction sa bawat team kabola kung sino pang unang ititrade nila dito sa bagong taon na 2024. For this video, we'll be having Converge, Magnolia, Phoenix at ito pong Meralco Bolts kabola. So kung hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Before we go there, usapang comments muna tayo dun sa post natin regarding po sa controversy sa all-star process kabola. Sabi ni Albert Ilagan, commercial system yan. Gregorio Abunda, tama ka dyan. Thank you. Joboy Abe, dapat may limit per team, top 5 voters getters per team lang kasali. Sabi niya po sa may suggestion siya. Lux Guy, best 2 players dapat bawat team ang kunin, ganun dapat. Then Ruben Dolor, dapat ganyan. Gawin ng PBA, 12 teams ang PBA, bawat isang team kailangan 2 players na ang kunin para fair ang laban kang sino pang magaling sa team, 2 player ang kunin, bale 24 na yung maglalaro kabola. So they provided suggestions. All of those are logical suggestions, but at the end of the day, I think the biggest thing that they should change is yung pong kung kanino or sino po yung magvo-vote kabola. That's the first thing. The easiest way to have a change dito sa process natin. Then let's talk also about the statement of Kume Marcial kabola na ito nga pong kanya pong process sa paghanap po ng expansion teams medyo nahirapan siya. Bakit? Kasi po kabola, yung mga nakakausap niya daw bigla-bigla sasabihin interesado, pero in a few months hindi rin naman na daw biglang nagpapapansin. So that is big hurdle daw kabola, which is not only a hurdle sa mata natin, kundi isang malaking sampal ulit sa PBA kabola, di ba? So actually it only means na ang biggest problem ngayon for expansion is walang interesado 100% kabola. So they need to do something about it, and I do believe that one reason kung bakit wala na po interesado is very tarnished na po kasi yung reputation po ng liga kabola. Very tarnished na po kasi yung quality po sa liga kabola. So why would serious companies po join the league kung ganyan po yung current situation? Although of course, remember, marami po tayong rumor dati. Baka naman po kabola, meron pa rin at darating, at we are still hoping that the very least may dalawa po na maidagdag po na expansion teams by next season kabola. Then dito na tayo sa prediction natin. So let's start po with Phoenix kabola. I think I will go with Enjo Serrano. Of course, Serrano, nasa kanila pa rin po yung rights, and I do believe that he could be the first player that they will trade kabola this year, knowing nga po na Serrano has a very good connection with Converge, di ba? It's a win-win situation. Phoenix is winning without Serrano, so why not just trade him to Converge and get something in return, di ba? Meralco Bolts, I will go with Anjo Karam kabola. So I do see Anjo Karam the past few years as the most consistent po na backup point guard. So nakakapagtaka actually that Diego Dario, a smaller point guard pa kabola, is actually getting or grabbing some minutes from him. Pero overall, it is in a way working kasi top 40 mo yan ng Meralco Bolts. So in a way, di ba, talaga naman in line na pwedeng matrade po ng Meralco yung si Anjo Karam. Magnolia, I will go with Polly here. Alam naman natin kung gaano po ka-conservative sa third. Ito po Magnolia Hatchet. So ang nakikita natin na mangyayari dyan is they will fail again to win the championship. Pero of course, they have a good chance for this tournament kabola. They have an intact lineup. The system is working well. Pero kung mag-fail ulit sila, Polly could be the guy that they will trade kasi ito big name kabola, and palaging in a way prepared naman na po yung fan base na gawin siyang scapegoat kasi sobrang daming kritisismo po natanggap niya in the past few years kabola, diba? So Polly. Then Converge kabola, I will go with Cheo Ambohot because I think out of their lineup right now, siya po yung kumbaga easiest to deal kabola. Kumbaga they will get something good in return for him, and hindi rin sila masyadong ma-hurt. And of course, meron din dyan lingering interest from the SMC camp, knowing na connected siya dati sa Letran kabola. So I think Converge, I will go with Cheo Ambohot kabola. Kung makabalas pa rin mo, sino na maunang trade for these 4 teams? Comment na po sa baba.